Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to take a look at Bitcoin because, yes, today is the first of the year. We have a new monthly candle close and open I want to take a look at, and I kind of want to give you guys my opinion on where I think we could be headed here in the overall crypto market. So, without further ado, let's hop into this video. So, guys, right now, Bitcoin is trading at $43,533, up about 2.19% on the day. A nice start to the new year. Bitcoin dominance up about 50.3%. We are starting to see very slightly the liquidity move into Bitcoin. I do expect before we reach the halving to probably see Bitcoin absorb some more Bitcoin dominance. I think it will probably steal the show at some point, whether it's before the Bitcoin halving or maybe the later end of Q2 of 2024. I expect some fireworks, guys. I expect that 2024 is going to be overall an extremely bullish year for crypto. It's going to be an election year. We have the Bitcoin spot ETF approval and or rejection in 9 days. There's a lot of hype that can be coming here, guys. Just an election alone in the U.S. is a very bullish event for the overall crypto space and for the stock market. They can't be having the market coming down if you want to be reelected. It's as simple as that. And time again, election years tend to be very bullish. But that being said, that doesn't mean that the entire year just has to be straight up, guys. It doesn't mean that it's going to just go straight up from 43,000 to $1 million Bitcoin. I do expect a little bit of a pullback at some point, and I'm going to talk about that shortly here. So I want to take a look over here at the monthly candles on Bitcoin, guys. Yes, we did close very bullish, and this next candle looks very good as well. I would like to see a break above $45,000 this month. If we don't, I do expect that we probably cool off a little bit here, and I still am leaning into the idea that we probably are going to cool off a little bit, but until we reach that Bitcoin spot ETF approval or rejection on the 10th, it's going to be really tough to tell which direction we're going to be headed here when it comes to Bitcoin specifically. Will it be a sell the news event? Will it be so bullish that the mainstream media starts pressing it even harder and retail starts to invest as the Federal Reserve starts to cut rates? There's lots and lots of bullish events coming here in 2024. So will we go just blast off, or will it be a sell the news event and temporarily we come down? I personally, I know you guys probably don't want to hear this, but I personally would like to see a sell the news event. I would like to see a sell the news event so that we can cool off, build a little bit more of a healthy market structure on Bitcoin leading into the halving, say around 38,000, get a little pullback from where we're at, about 42,000 to 38,000, trade sideways there till the halving, and start to make our way back up, create a new higher low around 38,000. That would be very healthy, guys. It would be great. It would create a longer time of higher prices for Bitcoin if that were to happen. We want that. We want Bitcoin to go as high as it can possibly go. And that's in my opinion, the best outcome would be is if we had a little bit of a pullback before the halving. We don't want to go just straight up from here because then, well, probably will cut the bull market a little bit short. If we peak out and say, I don't know, summer of 2024 instead of the winter of 2024, probably will be very quick, and we won't get as much momentum to the upside. We want to see that consolidation, make a higher low, and increasingly get our higher lows as we make our way to the previous all-time high. But that being said, there is definitely a chance, guys. There's definitely a chance that we are just off to the races on the 10th, but I would like to hope that that does not happen just yet. I'm expecting in a perfect world for us to move to the upside after the halving, after we make a little bit of a higher low at around 38,000, trade sideways, slowly climb up, and then towards the later half of 2024, around Q3, Q4, that's when you really start to see some really big moves. And now that doesn't mean that in Q2 we don't test previous highs, because I do expect Bitcoin to break previous all-time highs. I expect in Q3 and Q4 maybe to even reach $80,000, $120,000, maybe $150,000 Bitcoin. Time will tell, but based on what's going on around all these events that are going to happen in 2024, especially based around the Federal Reserve cutting rates, Bitcoin being treated much more seriously with these Bitcoin spot ETFs, an election year, there's just many bullish events. I think that there's a very high likelihood that we make a very exciting year for Bitcoin and crypto, and probably even the stock market as well. I mean, the S&P 500 is testing previous highs right now, but like I said, I think it'd probably be a good thing if we hit a little bit of pullback in the early of Q1 before we can be just set off to the races. But let's take a look over at CROcoin a little bit, because CROcoin, guys, you know the drill. I mean, it is just pegged here, pegged on the 10-cent price level. Probably not much going to happen until January 10th, until we see what happens with this Bitcoin spot ETF approval. Let me know down below, guys. I'm really curious to know your opinions. Do you think it's going to be a sell the news event? Do you think that it's going to be rejected or it's going to be approved? What do you think is going on with this Bitcoin spot ETF? Because I should say spot ETFs plural, because there's so many of them. What do you think is going to happen? I'm very curious on what everybody is thinking right now, because it's pretty up in the air. The mainstream media is really pushing that it's a very bullish event, and usually when that happens, usually it's a sell the news event. That's kind of how it goes, but we'll have to see how it plays out. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. I'm very active over there. I do giveaways. Lots of fun stuff on Twitter. Also, please check out some awesome referral links we have down below this video. $4,100 sign-up bonus to Femex, $8,000 sign-up bonus to BitGet. Lots of free money to take advantage of, and put those referral links below. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.